All right, good morning, good morning. Let me get this in present mode for you. There we go. So, new times, huh? Well, what I want to tell you mostly is that we don't want to panic. We don't want to get stressed out about this. It's out of our control, and we're all in this together. And I know it's kind of crazy. I don't know about your phones, but mine's been blowing up since we've been sent home Thursday night from conferences. So the administrators are working together in our school. They're working with health officials. They're listening to everything Governor DeWine tells us, as I'm sure you all are doing too. It's changing by the minute, and we need to use our E plus R equals O training and hit that pause button, which I have done many times. Just breathe. I go running, I get outside, I take walks, I call my friends. I'm staying away from my elderly relatives though, because I don't want to get them sick and take any chance of that. I feel great. I hope you guys are feeling great. I hope we all stay healthy and that all these measures are going to limit the cases of this coronavirus and get us all back into our normal way of living again really quickly. But in the meantime, let's see what we're going to do here. I'm going to read through this with you guys. So current work, for those of you who still have current work you need to turn in, including that argument video. If you have not submitted your video for an on-time grade, it needs to be submitted by midnight, April 5th. We can't ask you to do work right now. However, Miss Bailey will be getting third quarter assignments graded this week, and if you can submit it ASAP, that would be great. Plus, why don't you just want to get it done, right? Get it out of your hands, finish it up, get it submitted, and then you can chill out until April the 6th. If you are struggling to share your video with us, I have received a few of those emails. My suggestion is to upload it to YouTube and then share the link to it. That's how I share all these videos with you guys. It is super easy to do since we all have school Gmails. And you have plenty of free time right now to experiment with it and figure it out. So YouTube or Google how to upload to YouTube if you get confused. I really struggle technologically, and if I can do it, I know that you can do it too. Phone a friend if you need to. But upload it to YouTube, then share the link with us. Number 3, practice making videos and sharing them with us whenever you actually have questions for us. It may be easier for you to explain yourself via video than trying to write out your questions and going back and forth that way. And I used Screencast-O-Matic. Here's the link to it right here. I'm technologically challenged, like I said, but this site is easy to maneuver through. So again, I tape myself, then I upload it to YouTube. It gives you that option on the site, and then I share the link with you. Bam, done. And then we can actually see each other too, and not just communicate with email. And so you can still email us. There's our email addresses. Feel free to email us if that's your preferred way of communicating. So what will you be learning starting April the 6th? Or the ways you'll be learning starting April the 6th, sorry. We'll be receiving training constantly on how to teach you guys remotely. Luckily, we've already been using flipped classroom mode all year, so you understand how to use the videos and do the assignments and submit them mostly through Google Assignments. We'll also use class discussions on Schoology and use Schoology assignments, like I said. So with class discussions, Miss Bailey might be asking you guys to log on at a certain time when we get to April 6th, all right, not before then, and have a class discussion maybe during your class time, or she might be saying, during the school day today, participate in this class discussion. So watch your emails, watch Schoology. Starting April 6th, for sure, you'll be getting daily things from us. Before that, you might be getting things from us too, just to give you information. All right. Oh, and starting April 6th, we'll be jumping into the columnist unit and reading independent novels and doing assignments to go with your independent novels. So maybe right now, find a book. Might not be a bad thing to find a book you really want to read and escape into a different reality every now and then. Our working hours. Miss Bailey and I will be working this week from 7:45 to 2:30. If you need to get in touch with us, simply send us a video of your beautiful face and talk to us, or you can email us. Next week, we are on school or spring break, so we will not be doing school working hours. We will not be answering emails or anything. But the week of March 30th through April 3rd, we will be working again, and it sounds like we'll be working at school sometimes, us, not you guys, receiving training for RLE, our new education acronym, remote learning environment. After that, we shall see what's going on. I mean, if you're watching Governor DeWine, the thing that came out today is we may finish the school year this way. And that's okay. We will survive. We will miss you because y'all make us laugh and we love being with you. And we, like that human interaction. But if it is this way, it is this way, and we will make it work. Do not panic. Do not fear. We're in this together. So, lastly, you guys, we are living history. Like, seriously, we're living history. So let's just take this one day at a time. And I know I've already started journaling about this because one day you may want to accurately share it with your grandkids. Yes, so take care. Hope you all have a blessed day. We miss you and we will be in touch. So watch your email and watch Schoology every day. Bye, guys.